Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's scroll until you'll find languages and input. Let's tap on it. And now let's choose the very first option, languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. Now we've got 3 of them. In order to add new one, simply tap on add a language. And now we are in the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Let me pick something, for example this one. Simply tap on the one you want to use and choose the region. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our list. Now in order to set the new language as a main language, simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. Let's wait a second. And as you can see, from now on the whole menu will be in chosen language. Now let's get back to the English, so let's enter the languages. Let's tap and hold English and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it immediately changes to the English. Now let me show you how to remove the language. Simply tap on this 3 dots icon, click on remove, and now let's tap on the one you want to remove. For example, this one. Tap on the 3 dots icon again and click on remove. Let's click on OK. And as you can see, it has been successfully deleted. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.